Welcome back. Now tonight I get to show you something really cool. We happen to not be running this machine over the night, and I thought I'd take this opportunity to come in and show you something really cool about it. Now, we've talked about some of this before, so of course this is the hopper where we load material into the machine, and this is the throat where it has access down into the screw. But what we haven't talked about is this device right here. And this may be my favorite device in the entire shop. Now let me tell you a little bit about why this thing is such a nice device. So in a lot of shops, they'll actually mount a hopper rigid to the throat. And that's fine if everything goes well. But sometimes what happens is you have a reason to shut down production. And when that happens, you actually have to scoop out all the material from that hopper. And if it's a big hopper, that can be a real pain. It takes a lot of time. Now, other companies will actually put their entire dryer way up on top of the machine, up above here. And that puts a lot of extra weight on the injection unit, makes things harder to calibrate. And of course, when things go wrong, you still have to dump all that material out. And sometimes you need to get access to that screw. That makes it kind of an awful situation. This guy, on the other hand, has a really cool feature. There's this little latch on the back side here, and all I have to do is flip that up, and then I can pull this entire assembly forward. That allows me to bring the hopper and the contents into the forward dump position. Also allows access to the throat in the back. So if you have to clear out the throat to, I don't know, check for a nugget or something that gets lodged back there, you have direct access to it. Very, very nice. Now, if I'm getting ready to run, but I'm not quite ready to introduce the material into the machine, I can load this into the forward position, and that allows me to fill this hopper full of material, but it doesn't access the throat. This plate actually covers the throat and prevents stuff from getting back in there. And that allows me to fill this hopper full of material, but it doesn't access the throat. I don't need to do that until it's actually time to go. And when I'm ready to move forward and actually make some parts, I can simply pull this up, move this into the load position, and then I'm running material. Pretty dang cool. So the versatility of this thing, well, it actually makes it one of my favorite devices in the shop. So if you're interested in one of these, just let me know. Go ahead and post a comment and I will get back to you with the details on it. Well, that's all I've got for you today. But make sure you come back and check out the channel later because we're working on some really cool things. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get all our latest content. And remember, go out there and do something cool today.